Welcome to our Apple Vision Pro video series, where we will be exploring and reviewing the features of the Apple Vision Pro headset delivered to us by our one and only messiah, Tim Cook. We're gonna go ahead and remove these tabs. And just like that. And here is the Apple Vision Pro headset. Oh, it's a polishing cloth. Oh, that's kind of heavy. All right, cool. And this is quite a ginormous. Let me just give you a comparison. So this is the Quest Pro. It is double the size. It's just twice as fat. That is an unbelievably fat box. So, the Microsoft HoloLens 2 is priced at the time was also $3,500. The Quest Pro, if you bought it at launch, like a fool, paid $1,500. We wanted to kind of test across all different platforms and different headsets, whether it's mixed reality, spatial compute. We wanted to give our thoughts on, comfort, ease of use, accessibility. But that will be for another video.
Oh, some mean people came in and kicked us out. I thought I reserved the room, but my dumbass put in the wrong date. We'll be right back.
Oh man, look at that. Can you come over here? Look at that. It's just so smooth. It's like it really feels sci-fi. All right, let's hope there's some battery in here. Okay. Oh, wow. That is already way sharper. Wow. I can see through it. Wow, this is incredible. That's so fast. Oh, hello. It's talking to me a little bit. Wow, I can see my screen so well. I didn't even think about it. I can just read it, and it doesn't warp around the edges like on the Quest. Yeah, this pass-through could do it. I was always really convinced that the HoloLens had it right, that you needed to just have a piece of glass, but no, I think this is gonna do it. Look at your hands. Oh, wow. It cuts out everything behind the hands so well. It's like things are actually behind my hands. And my arms, too. I wonder how they do that. I can, block the words. I know people were complaining about this little brick, but it's not bad to stick in your pocket. And honestly, using the Magic Leap 2, that puck, that heated up so much and was always blowing out, and if you got it ever blocked, it would just chug and die. Yeah, that wasn't any good. This is a lot better than that. So comparing apples to apples at the same price, this is way better than the Magic Leap 2, just right off the bat. Wow, that's so sharp. That looks so good. Okay. Oh, man, I'm so blown away. Oh, yeah, the vision tracking is really quick. Okay, Disney, 3D puzzle, Luna, cozy puzzle games. I think I'll try that. That sounds like what I'm trying to do. All right, install. Oh, wow. So the windows are overlapping, but one of them just gets faded out. So they don't, a lot of the stuff that I've used, whenever you have one object that's rendering over the top of another, but it's further out, it just looks bad and makes you sick. What they've done here is it actually cuts it out of the window. So even if it's behind it, but it needs to render on top, it just kind of fades the hole in the first one. That's so cool. Oh man, this little 3D model is so cute. Oh, I can poke her. Oh, little belly. Whoa. I feel like I have the Force. These objects are so real looking. After this, I want to walk around to this little warehouse and see if it yells at me. Because I never set up a boundary like on the Quest. Now that I'm thinking about it, yeah, it never asked. I wonder what that means. There's got to be a limit, though. Maybe there's not. Maybe they expect people to just walk down the street with this thing on. All right, I'm excited. I'm so excited. It seems like this thing's really powerful, so I'm going to barely have any limitations. The Quest 3 has nothing on this. And as far as AR goes, I think this is, for $3,500, HoloLens 2 or this thing, and I guess the HoloLens 2 is old now. The Magic Leap, though, that's still expensive. And This is just way better. It doesn't even have to show me my hands because they're just there and they just work. Yeah, now it's just looking into the ecosystem, seeing how to build stuff for it. Yeah, I think it's gonna go good. I'm looking forward to the next couple of months.